Yo, what is good? Back again with another video, man. And I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I posted my song recently uploaded. And y'all probably gonna listen to it, but I really don't care. But yeah, so I posted a video a little while ago on how to make a PrettyBoyFredo type intro. And I didn't show y'all how to add the effects at all. I didn't show y'all how to add the green screen. And so basically with the app that y'all are gonna need iMovie. And basically whatever y'all gonna need iMovie, y'all gonna have to screen record the effect on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. And I'll just search up just some normal green screen effects. I'm gonna search up some green screen effect. Or effect, yeah, y'all know what I mean. But yeah, so y'all could just search up the butterflies, and then basically for all the PrettyBoyFredo ones, there's like different types. There's like these ones over here. You know, you find some good, you can find some fire ones. You just gotta keep on practicing on like what to press. And so but this is what I do whenever I do like I'll search up Cardi, because people make that Cardi type Playboy Cardi. I'll go like to this one, and you see it's kind of fire. And so after I do that, I'll just screen record it, and then y'all know how to screen record and then crop it out. I don't gotta. Y'all know how to crop it y'all know how to crop it out and just save the video. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do it. And there's different ones. Fire. I used that one right here. I used a couple of these before, and they're pretty clean. And once I did that, I would just hold on, I'm coming right now. Hey. Alright, so hold on, I'm recording a video. Alright, so after I did that, after you screen record your effect, y'all wanna go to iMovie. And then once y'all got to iMovie, y'all could go to your effects. And then whenever you wanna go to your effects, you wanna click on a video, click the three dots, and then do green and blue screen. You see, I already got my effects, but I could try to do something. I could try my best, but I have a whole lot of stuff up in here. So I could try my best to find a green screen thing, but I have a whole lot of things in my camera roll. I have so much. Alright, so basically, I already got things on my video. So basically, whenever you do the green and blue screen, which I pressed it, then it will come right there. And then that's basically how I do it. I just try to find the most cleanest ones and how to do the butterflies. Basically, you just want to do the cleanest one. There's some terrible green screen effects, and there's some good ones. But you just gotta keep on playing around with it. And so, yeah, this is a quick video basically on how to add green screen effects. So I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while, because my word said that whenever I get 15 likes, I would post another video. But see, I've gotten 52 likes. Got 52 likes on my vid, and I appreciate y'all for who my day ones out there who be going in the streams and stuff whenever I be streaming. Whoever they want, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the love and support that y'all have been giving me, and we're on the road to 500 subscribers. So I hope that y'all could share this video. I hope that y'all could share this video, and then maybe we gonna grow. Hopefully, just know that God is with y'all at all times, and we gonna get all through this situation. I love y'all, and I hope y'all gonna have a wonderful time. I love all my supporters. I love my haters as well. I love all y'all. So that God got us, and He got a plan for us. Just know that, and we got this, bro. So this is the end of the video, and this is Jay Breezy, and I'm out. Cut.